Dear talents, welcome to the virtual learning platform of Sri Guru Sudhindra College. So, in this AI info video by the AI hub of Sri Guru Sudhindra College, so we are going to discuss about how to win the life, how to win the profession, how to win the career with AI. As you all are aware, AI is the part and parcel. It has become something like oxygen for our routine. So here we are going to understand about AI, and in case if you want to win our life, for that AI we are going to use, but the different aspects need to be focused. So in this video we are going to discuss about the listed four major concepts. So first and foremost we are going to discuss about the mastering AI tools and prompt engineering importance. We are going to understand little bit about the integration of AI in our day-to-day work. Then also we are going to focus on the importance of AI continuous learning and adaptation, and the very special, very important aspects, the ethical leadership and innovation. As you all are aware, AI is transforming our life. So here this transformation is happening because of the application of the various the tools which are easily available for us. So here what we need to do is we need to master these AI tools. So there are so many tools which are available. We call it as the large language models. So these the tools are specifically the domain specific, as well as based on our application, based on our requirement. What we can do is we can handpick these tools. So here to plan the career in AI, or to make the best use of AI for our professional work or maybe for the personal work, what we need to do is we need to understand about, we need to have the clarity on the different tools which are available, and at the same time the application of individual tool, because there are few tools which are available and these tools are very common. So using these tools many aspects can be done. Either you can generate images or the text and so many things, but there are specific tools which focus on specific aspects. So based on your usages, based on your applications, these tools can be handpicked. So first and foremost we need to understand, we need to master these AI tools. And the second and the very important thing is about the prompt engineering. So whatever the input we give, whatever the direction we give, whatever the instruction we give, based on which the LLM is going to generate the output for us. But here the way we give input, that matters the most. So what is expected, right? Based on the expected outcome, we need to provide a specific kind of inputs. So here what we normally do is we are going to understand in this prompt engineering, we are going to understand what prompt is all about, what are the different types of prompts, even especially about the categories of prompts, and especially the template of the font, right? So that is very, very important here. So in prompt engineering we need to understand so that we can get our work done very easily. The second very important point is strategic integration in our daily work. So many things we do, maybe a students or a professionals or a teachers or maybe a business owner. So many things we do, right? So in these 24 hours whatever work we do, there we need to classify, right? So there are few works which can be what you call digitized, right? So these digital work whatever we normally do, that can be streamlined with the help of AI. There are so many decisions we take, right? So for these decision taking, what we can do is we can take the help of AI. In business process there are so many things which we do, for that even we can make the best use of AI. So we need to understand about how good we can integrate AI in our daily work. So what is the benefit? The first and foremost is, as we have mentioned here, it's going to create the efficiency, right? So efficiency will automatically increase. There are so many repetitive tasks which we do in our organization. So these repetitive tasks, what we can do is you can automate, right? So there are so many other advantages of integrating the AI in our daily work. And along with these two aspects, we need to focus even on the continuous learning. So post what you call the learning of a specific tools, right? So yes, if we feel comfortable, then the same tool we can utilize, we can use. But at the same time, so it is if the AI is evolving so rapidly, so we need to have the updates. So we need to understand what are the different tools or the models which are released in the market. We should have the clarity on those things, and we need to make the best use of it. So from model to model, from version to version, from as and when you get new updates, so more and more features will be added, right? So to make the best use of that, we need to have a continuous learning. So these tools, whatever are available, we have to make the best use of these tools so that we can streamline all our works. And by doing all these things, or while doing all these things, we need to keep in mind about the ethical considerations, right? So whatever the steps we take, so it should not hurt the society, it should not hurt the market, it should not hurt someone, right? So it matters the most. So whatever the methods we do, or whatever the steps we do, because see, the particular content may belong to someone else, so we don't want you to predict it or present it that it is yours, right? So that should not happen. So whatever the ethical practices are there, that to be followed very, very systematically. So ethical leadership is very important. So here, if you follow the ethical practices, then automatically you can direct others to follow, right? So new ideas, new concepts, everything is common, because always there should be a kind of a creativity. But at the same time, so in case if you are utilizing or the ideas of someone, we should not forget to give the credit to them, right? So ethical practices are very much essential. And along with that, so there are lots of tools which are available. We need to understand the usage of these tools, application of these tools, and we need to understand how these tools can help us for the innovation purpose, right? So in our organization, in our business, in our setup, in our what you call the ecosystem, there are various aspects, and these things can be upgraded, it can be transformed with the help of AI. So to win the career, to win the profession, to win the life with AI, we need to understand about AI tools. We need to be the master in this prompt engineering. We need to understand everything about that, and along with that, we should know how AI can be integrated in our day-to-day work, and continuous learning and adaptation. And along with that, the very important fact is the ethical leadership and the innovation. So whatever the aspects we do, whatever the AI tools we use, whatever the prompts we apply, and the way we integrate in AI in our daily life, for everything, the ethical practices are very much essential. So this is about the AI winning the career, winning the profession, winning the personal life, winning the life with AI. So thank you for sparing your valuable time to understand about AI. Be good, do good, good day, take care. Thank you.